still be collecting under there.
Nice. Keep the speed constant and add a little bit of pressure if you can. Okay, now you can start to ignite. You go faster and long on the bow, and fast. With no pressure. Faster, 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 faster.
Oh, longer.
Faster and longer, faster, 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 faster.
Oh, fuck.
Okay, stop it slowly.
Ah,
Okay.
no.
Oh no.
No, it might work. It might be okay. Okay, yeah, it's working. Now transfer it, like get it out of there with a little sticky. Slowly. Here you have the grass.
I can see it.
Okay, now you have to be very careful not to break the coal.
Should I hold this up?
Yeah.
Do I want to blow on this?
No, first transfer it in here. So now make it enter nicely and make it to have contact with it and blow on it. You can turn yourself in the direction of the wind, have it a little bit up and blow on it. Blow harder.
Holy crap.
Turn yourself, the wind is going the other way. Continue to blow. Way!
Yeah!
Holy crap! Wow! Oh my god! Yeah! Yes! Holy shit!
Guys, you're my first pupil who did it! It's great!
Holy
Check out that fire! Ow! Amazing!